Hi everyone, I really miss seeing you and hopefully we can be together soon, learning again. But I'm glad you could join me today for a really fun science experiment. We are going to do the magic milk experiment. First, we need to gather all our supplies. First, I need milk, and I have 2% milk. We need dish soap. Food coloring, I have pink, green, and blue. Then I need Q-tips and a shallow dish to put the milk in. I also have a small bowl that I put my soap in. That makes it easier to use the soap. All right, first thing you're going to do is pour milk in the bottom of your dish so that it just covers the dish. Then what you're going to do is take your food coloring and put 3 dots of each color in the dish. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to do 3 green. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to do 3 blue dots. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to take my Q-tip and I'm going to dip it into the soap. Not too much soap, we don't want it to drip all over, but we have just enough. Then I'm going to take my Q-tip and stick it into the colors in the milk. I'm going to pick a color and stick it in there. Once I stick it in there, I'm going to leave it there and I'm going to count to 5. So I'm going to put it in my green food coloring. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to try in the red food coloring. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at all of that cool movement. All the colors are moving around. The milk is moving. Give it a try one more time in the blue. See, everything's moving. Is yours moving like mine's moving? It's super cool. You keep trying all the dots of color that you have. And while you keep trying, I'll explain what's happening. Well, your soap and your milk are both made of molecules. Those are tiny little things. Everything's made up of molecules. They have tiny little molecules and we can't even see them with our eyes. But our milk has fat in it, fat molecules that are very important. And the soap molecules like to be friends with the milk molecules. So when you put your soap into the milk, that makes the molecules move around. The soap molecules are moving around. And they are looking for the fat molecules to attach to. And as long as they're moving, they're still looking for a friend to attach to. As soon as they stop moving, that means all the soap molecules and all the fat molecules have attached to each other, which is really pretty cool. And every time you do it, something new happens. So I'm going to try it again. Soap on my Q-tip, put it right in my milk. See? It's still moving. Super cool. All right. Now, what I'd like you to do, after you try this experiment, I'd love to see if you want to try something else. Maybe in different kind of milk, maybe 1% milk or coconut milk. Maybe try it in water or in juice. Give it a try and see what happens. After you do, I'd love to hear from you. See how you did trying it in something else. Was there a lot of movement? A little bit of movement? Was there no movement at all? Did your soap stay where it should? That's okay. It's pretty cool to find out different things. Well, I hope you enjoyed our science experiment today. And come back soon for another one. All right, happy experimenting.